In today's episode, we're going to be talking about what makes a viral video title. So if you want to know more, you know what to do. Stick around. Tonight's sponsor is $5 Jewelry Paradise, where your independent consultant is Terry Donald. Now I have the link for all the information down below, so when you go, tell her Stephanie sent you. Hello everyone, I am Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, YouTube tips and more. On my series now, we're talking about time management. Now there are about 15 or so videos, but they all break down crucial points to help you with your time management with YouTube. So let's jump in and let's learn. Have you ever spent hours crafting the perfect video only to realize your title just doesn't grab anyone's attention? It's frustrating when you know your content is great, but the title just falls flat. A viral video title can make all the difference in attracting viewers and increasing engagement, which is why it's so crucial to get it right. When it comes to creating content, the title is often the deciding factor in whether someone decides to click on your video or not. Thinking about it, a viral video title can make all the difference in attracting viewers and increasing engagement. It's what sets the tone of the rest of your content, and it can ultimately make or break your video success. Coming up with a catchy title that stands out in a crazy world of YouTube is not easy. Creators face the challenge of not only grabbing the attention of the target audience, but also cutting through the noise of millions of other videos looking for attention as well. It's a daunting task, especially when you consider that most people decide whether to watch your video or not within the first few seconds of seeing the title. That's a lot of pressure to put on a few short words. On top of that, creators also have to consider the delicate balance between being creative and being clear. You want to get the viewer's attention, but you also don't want to mislead your audience or give them the wrong expectations. It's a fine balance between being crisp and engaging, all while effectively delivering the principles of your content. The truth is that coming up with a viral video is an art that requires a deep understanding of what your audience or your content and the philosophy behind what makes people click. It's not just about throwing some words together and hope for the best. It's about crafting a title that resonates with your audience, that speaks to them personally, and that makes them feel something. Emotional triggers are a key element in crafting a viral title. Think about it. When was the last time you saw a title that made you feel something? Maybe it made you laugh, or maybe it made you feel inspired. Whatever the emotion, it's what drives people to click on your videos and want to learn more. For example, a title like How I Burnt and Ate a Turkey. It makes you want to know why. Another key element is curiosity. Well, we all want to know the answer to a question or a secret behind something. A title that piques your curiosity is irresistible. For instance, The Disturbing Truth About C4 Hair Care is a title that makes you want to click just to find out what the truth is. And finally, clarity is the key. You want your title to be clear and express what your video is about without giving too much away. That's true. So, What's the great formula for crafting a viral title? Well, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but rather a combination of key elements we've discussed. A good title should have an emotional trigger, it should pique our curiosity, and it should be clear and concise. But here's what I discovered: it's not just about the words themselves, but also about the emotional connection that we make with them. Think about your target audience and what resonates with them. A common mistake to avoid is making your title too common or too clickbaity. Remember, the goal is to make an emotional connection with your audience, not to trick them into clicking on your video. Be yourself, be honest, and be creative. And finally, test. Try out different titles, see what works and see what doesn't. Use the tools that YouTube has to offer. They're free. It will truly help you out. Here are some examples of titles that I put together. Now, a how-to. How to make a YouTube video. How to make a cake from scratch. Do's and don'ts. 5 do's and don'ts to making a cake. 3 do's and don'ts to picking out makeup. Now for a list. Top 3 ways to upload a video. The 5 things every content creator needs. For DIYs. DIY cleaning products using Dollar Tree products. DIY fall placemats. Now number 5 is before you watch this. Before you start YouTube channel. Before you start a YouTube channel, watch this. Before you strip furniture, watch this. And number 6, tips, ways, and steps. 7 simple ways to write an essay. 5 tips on setting a table. And number 7, verses. Tide versus game. Homeschool versus public school. Number 8, fast results. How to remove glass stains in 1 minute. 5-minute makeup hacks. Those titles are really catchy and they get your attention, right? And number 9, specific results, specific times. How we gain 10,000 subscribers in 30 days. 5 tips to grow your YouTube channel. And how to lose 40 pounds in 30 days. Number 10, guide. A guide to cooking fish. Complete guide to walking pounds away. Number 11, easy results. 2 quick and easy ways to create a one-pot meal. 5 easy ways to make a candle. Now a question, number 12. Quitting your job in 2025. Is it too late to start YouTube in 2025? Number 13, current year. How to build a Wix website in 2025. Instagram and tricks 2025. Now, number 14 is mistakes. Advice for new YouTubers. 10 mistakes creators make. Common new mom mistakes and how to fix them. Number 15, adjectives like amazing, epic, best, and number 1. Amazing empty homes in Texas. Number 1 way to make money online. A viral video title is all about making an emotional connection with your audience, piquing their curiosity, and being clear and concise. It's not an easy task, but with these key elements and deep understanding of your audience, you can craft a title that really pops. Now thank you for watching, and if you have any other tips that you think that would be helpful to other creators, please share them in the comment section below. You know I enjoy reading your comments. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free just to ask me and I will help you as much as possible. I hope this video on viral video titles was helpful. If you are interested in learning more on time management, check the video series links down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, and hit the subscribe and notification buttons. And don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts. All these links will be down below. Now let's get out of here and jump into the chat.